Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials. In this video I will show you that how you can reset your Instagram password if you have forget it. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So before starting, make sure that your Instagram is up to date. You can check that by going to Play Store app and here search for Instagram. Here you can see the Instagram app is visible and I can see an open button. So make sure you also see an open button, and if you see a update button, click on that update button and your Instagram will be updated. One more thing that I want to make sure that you are using Instagram, not Instagram Lite. So if you want to reset your Instagram password, make sure you are not using this Instagram Lite app. Instead, you are using the actual Instagram app. So make sure you are using this Instagram app instead of Instagram Lite. So once you have done all of that, we can just launch our Instagram app now, and here you can see it asks us to enter our phone number, email or username and then the password for that. So let's enter the username for the account that you have forgot. You can just enter your username and once you have entered your username, you can see a forget your login details button. So just click on get help logging in button, and here you will have to enter your username, or if you don't remember your username, you can enter your email, or if you don't even remember your email address, you can also enter the linked phone number to your account, and that will help you reset your password. So once you are done doing that, just click on this next button and you can see it says send an SMS or log in with Facebook. So we can just click on send an SMS button, and here you can see it has sent an SMS to the linked phone number, and now you will have to just check that SMS to reset your password. It will send a reset link and you can just use that link to reset your password. So that's how you can reset your Instagram password. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.